Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to see ServiceNow scripting based interview question and answer based on real ServiceNow interviews. This question we have received from the candidates who given the ServiceNow interview. So let's go to the question. The question is basically using the background script, can you please print the incident count based on the category? Okay, so let's go to the PDI and I'll just open the incident table, incident.list. Okay, and I'll just group by the category. So as you can see, we have to print this category along with the respective count. Let's say in the database category, we have 2 incidents. In the hardware category, we have 10 incidents. So we have print all these category along with their respective count using background script. Okay, pretty simple scenario. So let's go to the background script. Okay, yes, and friends, please practice these types of scenario in your PDI as well, because if you don't practice enough, so while if you get these types of question in your interview, so you might not able to recollect the statement because you haven't done enough practice. Because in interview we are little bit tensed or nervous, so that's why we are not able to recollect the uh, statements or the functions. Okay, so please do practice as well. So let's start. First, we will define the variable. Let's say we want a count based on the category. So get count category based on category. Okay, so please give logical name and follow camel case as well, follow the best practice. Then let's glide the incident table using glide aggregate because it is optimized for the data calculation. Incident, yeah, yes. Now get count dot add aggregate. So add aggregate is basically one of the functions inside the glide aggregate, like syntax you can say that we used. So we have to find the count and we have to pass the parameter as a category because we want count based on the category. So let's close this statement, and next we have to just group by the category because we need count based on the category, like in which category we have what set of incident number. Okay, so we have a group by this and pass the category. So category is the backend value, the category. So let's say if I open any incident, this one. Okay, so if you click on any variable, just click right click and you can see this is the backend value. This is the backend value. So just we have use this backend value inside the script. Okay, so yeah, this is done. Let's query the table now. Get count dot query. Okay, then we have to apply the while loop. Get incident count dot next. We have to iterate every record inside the loop, and now we have to print the statement. Okay, cs dot info and total incident number in category. Okay, and now we have to get the respective category name. So how we will get the category name? So just get count category dot, we need the category value. Okay, so category dot get display value. Okay, get display value. Okay, so we will get the category name of every category when the while loop iterate. Okay, then we need count as well. Okay, so we have to pass this statement again, like not the exact, like just get aggregate, like we have here add aggregate, and to fetching the value we have to use the get aggregate. Get aggregate. Okay, and we have to pass the same parameter here, count comma category. Okay, and let's close the statement. Okay, and let's run. There is a one get aggregate is not defined. Okay, just let's check what's wrong here. Add aggregate, get aggregate. Okay, basically we haven't used this statement because we have to pass the reference. Okay, so now it will be work. Yeah, as you can see, I'll just print one space here. Okay, one space, and now just plus for concatenation. So as you can see, this is the empty one, so that's why we haven't value here, but this is 4, and in the database we have 2, hardware we have 10, in category inquiry /L we have 36, network 5, software 13. So this is the same which we have done the group by the table itself earlier. Yes, you can see here. So we are getting this same result. And one thing I want to highlight you here is basically I have used gs.info. You can use gs.print as well, but I am in the private scope. So that's why in the private scope the gs.print will not work. I'll show you. Let's gs.print. Okay. And when I will run this script, you can see this here. Function print not allowed in scope. Use gs.debug or gs.info. Okay. So please, let's say I'll just go back to the global scope, and now it will be work. Okay. So these types of question you might get in the interview, like what is the difference between gs.print or gs.info. Okay. So friends, that's all in this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe the channel as well.